This is a pair of Peerless Model 700C nickel finish handcuffs. Has a shiny nickel finish. In contrast, this is a Smith & Wesson Model 1 chain handcuff. It has a satin nickel finish that is always going to be dull. It has a rougher finish that hides scratches and is less reflective. This is Smith & Wesson Model 100B. It's blued carbon steel, matte black finish. These are more, they have a greater tendency to rust. This is the Smith & Wesson 100 MPM in the melanite finish. It is very rust resistant. The finish goes deeper into the metal, and these are highly recommended. This is Smith & Wesson Model 103, stainless steel. A lot of people think the stainless is going to be shiny, but it's actually dull.